Microsoft, Google, WiMi enter the metaverse, leading global digital economy. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. Metaverse, a term originated from science fiction novels, has frequently appeared in people's eyes in the past 2 years. The year 2021 is also known as the first year of the metaverse, which is all the rage in the world. The metaverse is supported by the internet, artificial intelligence, blockchain and other technologies, and couples the virtual world with the real world through information and communication technology and intelligent devices. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang used a 14-second avatar in a public speech, and no one noticed a difference until the end. This seems to have opened the door to a new world. Metaverse can also be so playful. So, for the future of the factory, we may dare to let go of the imagination. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. The future prospects of the metaverse are limitless. Google, like Apple, has an absolute dominant position in the mobile internet era. Google has 2 major platforms and entrances, Android platform and Chrome browser. In the face of new things like metaverse that may shake its existing position, Google does not want the metaverse to gain real development on the one hand, especially does not want to see its competitors leading these developments. On the other hand, it has to make some defensive layout for the metaverse because it is worried that rival companies have shaken its position by jumping into the metaverse. This swarming scene is the result of the development of the metaverse. The progress of science and technology is the basic support to promote the concept of the universe. In recent years, global technology companies have been innovating breakthroughs in the fields of VR, Arkansas, AI and other technologies, constantly seeking the development and construction of 5G and 6G networks on the basis of 4G, and becoming increasingly mature in the technical construction of virtual scenes such as 3D. All these advances invariably promote the arrival of the metaverse era. The future digital era of technology will definitely make metaverse a new highlight and trend of immersive experience. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.